shed so many tears that my tear dots turn red. Now that hema glowing, flowing, keeping vampires fed. They wanted to jam me in, lock me up and throw away the key. A pack of hyenas, he laughing at me. They took many shortcuts by backstabbing me. If I don't get out they grip, then these vultures won't dip. I ain't afraid to die and fly off to the sky, but I got more life to live, so today I'm gon' try to strive, not to hide behind my fears, hide behind the years, and hide behind these tears. Lord, please take away all these imperfections, renovate my heart and purify my soul. Do to me what I do to my floors when I sand them. If you open up them doors for me, I won't be too demanding. Your truth, love, and light is what I always stand in. I'm your fierce, humble servant, just like you commanded.
I got favor, God's favor, and nobody can take it from me. I am worthy of every good thing, and I'm gonna be who God called me to be.
Way back then, when my thoughts was full of sin, God's truthful love for me I couldn't comprehend, cause I felt over-processed like a bad lace front job. I'm God's chosen but struggling, that's kinda odd. When you stand close to the light, you bound to get burned. There's some things on this journey I had to learn on my own, but then God was in plain sight. I was never alone. Against me, on this right path, many weapons was formed. They tried to point, aim, release, bullets couldn't catch me. God opened up so many doors I couldn't think to dream. Just imagine what I could do when you believe. Alone in my room I cried, Lord, why you love me? A multitude of blessings I shouldn't have received. Dry your tears, my child, don't you ever doubt me. Throw that sad way of thinking now, cause that's my pet peeve. Many things I have in store, plant your feet and trust me.
I got favor, God's favor, and nobody can take it from me. I am worthy of every good thing, and I'm gonna be who God called me to be.
This is here my freedom cry, a prophetic selection. This for all the times you covered me when I faced mad rejection. When things went left, there you were, making all corrections. That holy Bible in my life was my greatest investment. This for that little girl inside who always wanted to hide. Rivers and lakes and ponds of salty tears, she always cried. Never felt beautiful or worthy like a prize. You dried my tears and said, daughter, don't you dare believe those lies.
I got favor, God's favor, and nobody can take it from me. I am worthy of every good thing, and I'm gonna be who God called me to be.